This video serves to demonstrate a type of harassment that has gone on here in Boise, Idaho for a very long time. Sometimes when you see people doing this, it's just that they don't have any consideration for other people and have never heard of earphones. But this is targeting of me. And the other thing that goes on with these two is this guy goes by my window and he'll suddenly yell something really loud to startle me. And notice they got really close to my car. I didn't get video of them right there in the window, but they came very close to my car. And there's all kinds of bullying, menacing, and harassment that goes on here that's been allowed for a very long time. And the other thing that was going on is this guy was wandering up and down the street yelling. It just is bizarre, the stuff that goes on. Don't tell me these people are mentally ill. That's not what it is. Okay, it's something else. We're back there arguing about something they were looking for. And then they put a quiet song on, then they put this really noisy one on. Notice as they go by my car, it's super loud. When they get to the end of my car, they turn it off. This is something that frequently goes on. It begins at the beginning of my car and ends at the other end of it with their noise campaigns. If they get past me, they turn it off. What a bunch of assholes. Yep. They think they're being so fucking cute.